Welcome to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today we are still in our 25 days of cookies, and today I am bringing to you a Crescent Almond Cookie. So in my bowl I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter with a half a cup of sugar. Get that sugar out of there. And I'm going to cream those two together. So, during this 25 days of cookies, I'm going to be bringing so many cookies that I've tried, cookies that I haven't tried, and it's just going to be an amazing journey. I hope you are ready for the ride. So, we have our butter and sugar creaming together. I'm going to give that a quick scrape. And now we are going to add in our flour, our all-purpose flour, our almond flour, our salt to our butter mixture. You're going to want to mix this slowly to give the butter a chance to incorporate into this flour. So take your time. It will mix all in. So we've added all of our dry ingredients into our butter sugar mixture, and we're going to let that come together. And then once it comes together, then we'll shape these and we are going to bake these, and we'll have our almond cookies. Yay! Okay, so our almond dough has come together and it's looking more like a sugar cookie. So what we're going to do at this point is we are going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back, shape, and bake. So I'll see you in about 30 minutes. So our almond dough has been chilling, and now we're going to take them out and shape them. And so you want to take about, this is about 2 tablespoons, and you're going to roll it into a log. Roll it into a log, and then it's a little bit of a crumbly dough, but it works. You want to try to make them as even as possible. So as you're making your logs, try to keep them even so that all of your logs bake, or all your crescents, because we're taking this log and shaping it into a crescent. You want them all to be about the same size. So I'm still making crescents, and I think I told you that I would try to bring you a little history about some of these cookies during this 25 days of cookies. And so this little cookie right here made its first appearance in Europe, in the German area, Germany, Vienna, and Belgium, and they were developed just as a simple cookie to be eaten with like afternoon tea, and their signature is a vanilla sugar that they put on top of the cookie, which I won't be doing because I don't have any vanilla sugar. But you can. And it's not that hard to make vanilla sugar. You can just take a vanilla bean and add it to some sugar, whether it be powdered sugar or granulated sugar, and then once it's been there for some time, it will take on that vanilla flavor. So then your cookies can look more like what the original cookie was meant to be. But for today's purposes, mine will just be covered in regular powdered sugar once they've been baked. But basically this is a regular type butter cookie dough. It does have those same types of texture as a regular butter cookie. The only difference is this one has almond meal in it, almond flour, and so it's going to give it an almondy flavor. So that's just a little bit of history. I was interested to find that out. Some of you may know if it's your family, but I was born in Germany. Who knew that I'd be making a cookie that was originally made over in the Germany area? So I'm still making these. These are definitely a little bit of a process. I have another classic butter cookie coming up that is piped, and that should be a fun one to do. Takes a little bit less work than this, because you're just piping it out, just putting it in a piping bag and piping it out. So it is a little bit easier on the one hand. So our crescent shaped almond cookies are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake these at a 350-degree oven until they're lightly golden brown. And I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we're back with our almond shaped crescent cookies, and we're just going to give them a little dusting of powdered sugar. It's a very delicate cookie, so you're going to want to wait till they're completely cool to handle them. So I'm just going to give them their little dusting of powdered sugar so they look very beautiful, like they're intended to do. And I'll leave them there to continue cooling. And then once they are completely cooled, I will take them off the tray and they'll be ready to eat. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient because it's a very tender cookie and I don't want it to break all apart when I pick it up. So I will let you see what they look like. I will have some pictures at the end, but I really appreciate you watching today, and I hope you enjoy all of these cookies that I'm doing. Again, if you have a cookie you want me to do, please leave it in the comment section. I love comments and I always respond. So please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please remember to, if you like this video, to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.